Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Hilzara Listio Kertika. My number is 45 and I'm from Building Engineering Education. In here, I will present a journal. The title of journal is Strategies to Improve Education Quality in Indonesia. The author of this journal is Ciptra Pamana, Dina Kamida, Suyatno, Faiza Renati, Syaharuddin. Introduction. Educational quality is the most important objective for the management of the nation's education system, which expects education institutions to be competent and prepared to provide their people with a equal and thorough education service. The education they receive must be up to standard and meet all the requirements of the local community properly and effectively. The Indonesian education system has undergone a great deal of transformation from the pre-colonial and colonial era through the early years of independence to the present day. In the law of the Republic of Indonesia number 20 of 2003 concerning the national education system, it is stated an education is a conscious and planned effort to create an atmosphere of learning and the learning process so that students actively develop their potential to have religious spiritual strength, self-control, personality intelligence, noble character, and skills needed by him, society, nation, and state. Discussion. Factors affecting education quality. Improve the quality of university education is an integral part of discussion in the management of higher education in all countries. The university, as the main organization for the development of expert human research, play an important role in achieving sustainable development in the age of globalization. The quality of the university system has been considered from different points of view. Some experts believe that the quality of the education system is synonymous with its internal efficiency. They define the internal efficiency of the system based on four components, including input, process, output, and output, with predetermined standards for improving the quality of higher education activities. Some of the factors that influence the quality of education in tertiary education: government, community service, study program, curriculum, learning process, human resource, academic atmosphere, research and development, student affairs, finance, other factors. Next, education problem. Indonesia's big challenge in terms of education is no longer improving access but improving quality. The Indonesian government hopes to develop a world-class education system. Several important notes regarding problems in the education sector, which are identified by a National Education Observer, are as follows. First, facility and infrastructure education. Second, Access to school from the students housed in rural areas is limited by distance, transportation, safety, and lack of damaged infrastructure. Third, not well selected textbooks. Many textbooks do not meet good pedagogical criteria and there are printing error. Fourth, basic learning materials at school should be the same. To minimize the expense for books, should be government build a non-profit company to produce all basic textbooks for free, cheap and schools. And should the government let commercial publishers produce additional books? 5. A frequently occurred problem in the practicum activities is related to the cost. And 6. Many schools do not or don't optimally use supporting tools for learning. Regarding the definition of quality from the perspective of the company's product, there are various definitions from quality management experts. Product quality refers to the fitness of product used to fulfill the needs and customers' satisfaction based on 5 dominant characteristics. And 2. Quality is the fitness with market demands or the customers. Third, quality is a dynamic condition related to the product. Strategies to improve the education quality. Based on the review in the previous chapters, it is discussed the required standards to create quality education by the government laws and education. Factors affect education quality. Education problem in Indonesia and the quality of university in Indonesia in the national world. It is stated the measuring education quality is not an easy task because it is different from measuring the quality of the company, product, or service whose parameter is customer satisfaction. Facility. Through various campus facilities, students will be able to get various experience from where they study. The facility include complete sports facility, modern information technology, which is sustainable for fulfilling the needs for health teaching and learning process. A library that provides complete literature, both national and international, can be in the form of a manual as well as an internet network that can access reputable international journals. Health facilities are also essential to serve the health of lecturers and staff to stay healthy. Okay. Conclusions. Dealing with the fact that the ranking of universities in Indonesia is still left behind other countries in the world, Asia, and South Asia. Higher education in Indonesia must get attention and support to continuously improve the quality from time to time according to the demands of the developing area. Quality education will produce quality human resource (HR). Quality human resource will certainly be able to build the state and the nation of Indonesia to become better. And eventually improve the welfare of Indonesians, quality education will make the nation and state of Indonesia have an equal position with other nations in the world, so that Indonesia can show dignity and will be respected by the international community. Creating quality education requires synergy and cooperation between government, society, the private sector to support each other. Higher education, in which there are lecturers, employers, and students, must have missions and visions that are in line with to determine the direction of education by utilizing maximum available resources optimally. Thank you. My name is Hilsar Alstio, and see you next time.